So hi everyone. First of all, I would like to thank the organisers for the opportunity to present today. In May 2018, there was a neurotube defect safety signal detected among infants exposed to dolutegravir at conception. In response, guidelines recommended switching to an alternative agent if pregnancy was confirmed in the first trimester. By July 2019, more evidence had accumulated that demonstrated no increased neurotube defect risk, and the WHO recommended dolutegravir for first-line therapy in all populations, including pregnant people. Using pooled European data, we aim to examine patterns of switching off dolutegravir in pregnancy before, during, and after the safety signal period, identify factors associated with switching during the safety signal period, and assess the impact of switching on virological suppression delivery during the safety signal period. This analysis used pooled data from studies participating in EPIC, and pregnancies conceived on dolutegravir ending in a live or stillbirth were included. Pregnancies were grouped into 4 time periods based on timing of conception and delivery date with respect to the safety signal start and end date. So time period 1 is those who delivered before the safety signal start date. Time period 2, those who were in the 2nd or 3rd trimester of pregnancy on the day the safety signal was released. Time period 3, those who were in the 1st trimester at any point during the safety signal period. And time period 4, those who conceived after the safety signal end date. And those in time period 2 and 3 make up those who were pregnant at any point during the safety signal period. 440 pregnancies were included across 6 countries, and overall 22% switched off dolutegravir during the pregnancy. The percentage who switched varied across the 4 time periods, but the highest proportion of people switching was in time period 3, where 49% switched. An overall difference in time to switch across the 4 time periods was observed. And among those in time periods 1, 3, and 4, most switches occurred in the 1st trimester of pregnancy. Among those pregnant during the safety signal period, factors associated with switching off dolutegravir were examined using flexible parametric survival models, and the adjusted model included the variables time period, cohort, and age at conception. And the variable time period was modeled with time-varying effects due to this improving the model fit and changes throughout pregnancy observed in the adjusted hazard ratio plots. There was strong evidence to suggest that those in the 1st trimester during the safety signal period were more likely to switch off dolutegravir compared to those who were in the 2nd or 3rd trimester on the safety signal start date, with the adjusted hazard ratio varying throughout pregnancy. There was moderate evidence that individuals from non-UK cohorts were more likely to switch off dolutegravir compared to those from UK cohorts, and there was no evidence of an association between age at conception and switching. Among the 47 pregnant at any point during the safety signal period who switched, dolutegravir was most commonly replaced with raltegravir, darunavir ritonavir, atazanavir ritonavir, and efavirenz. And of the 121 pregnancies during the safety signal period with available viral load data, there was no evidence of a difference in the proportion with a detectable delivery viral load between those who switched and those who did not. So now on to the conclusions. So despite clinical guidelines recommending to do so, just over half of individuals in their 1st trimester at any point during the safety signal period did not switch off dolutegravir. And among those in this group who did switch, the majority switched after neurotube closure. There were geographical differences in switching during the safety signal period observed, with individuals from non-UK cohorts more likely to switch. And although caution is required due to the small sample size, switching off dolutegravir during the safety signal was not associated with the detectable viral load at delivery in this study. And this analysis of European real-world data contributes to our understanding of the response to the safety signal by healthcare professionals and highlights the importance of robust pregnancy data for better preparedness for future safety signals. And thank you for listening. Here are my acknowledgements.